Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the biggest cake festival happening right here at Palace Grounds, Bengaluru. This is part of the 50th annual celebrations and let me tell you, it's something else. The festival runs from December 13th to January 1st and trust me, you don't want to miss this. It's not just about cakes, it's an entire experience. From jaw-dropping cake designs to incredible food stalls and fun activities for all ages, there's something for everyone. Whether you're here for the sweets, the creativity, or just a fun day out with family and friends, this place has it all. The festival runs from December 13th to January 1st, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. If you're planning to visit on a weekday, the ticket will cost you 100 rupees. But if you're heading over during the weekend, it's 150 rupees, and let me tell you, it's worth every penny. Now, I chose to come on a weekend, and the place is absolutely buzzing with excitement. The crowd is lively, the energy is high, and the atmosphere feels like a proper celebration. If you're someone who enjoys a bit of peace and quiet, maybe aim for a weekday, fewer people and more space to take your time and soak it all in. But if you're like me and love the vibe of a full-blown festival, weekends are the way to go. Yay, finally we got the tickets. Alright, tickets in hand now, let's head inside and see what this festival is all about. I can already spot some of the incredible cake displays from here. And if the entrance is anything to go by, we're in for a real treat. There's a buzz in the air, people taking photos, kids running around, and the vibe feels festive and fun. As soon as you enter, they give you a lucky draw coupon. It's included with your ticket, so don't forget to drop it in the box at the entrance. I wrote my name and number on all my tickets and tossed them in. Maybe I'll get lucky. Just past the entrance, there's a photo booth set up where people are already lining up to snap pictures. Families, couples, and groups of friends are all there, striking poses with festive backdrops and props. It's a fun little spot that adds to the vibe. Everyone wants to capture a memory before diving into the rest of the festival. Alright, first thing you see, and it's hard to miss, is this massive 20-foot tall Christmas cake right at the entrance. It's huge and the detail is impressive. From the decorations to the overall design, it's clear a lot of effort went into making it stand out. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a cake, more like a decorative holiday display. It sets the tone for the rest of the festival, and if this is the first thing you see, you know there's more good stuff ahead. Next to the Christmas cake, there's a Ram Mandir cake, and this one immediately grabs your attention. The level of detail is striking. It's carefully crafted to mirror the actual Ram Mandir temple, down to the smallest architectural elements. The cake structure with its domes, pillars, and intricate carvings feels almost like a scaled-down replica of the real thing. There's even a Jurassic-themed cake. It's massive and the kids are loving it. It feels like you're walking through a mini Jurassic Park, but everything is made of cake. Standing in front of it, you almost feel like you've stepped into a prehistoric world, except everything around you is edible. There's also a cake depicting the statue of Kempegoda, and it's one of those displays that really makes you stop and take a second look. Next to the Kempegoda statue cake, there's something that immediately draws your attention, a fort-themed cake that looks straight out of history books. The layers and details from the brick patterns to the miniature cannons and gates are carefully crafted, giving the cake an authentic historical feel. It almost feels like you could walk through the arched doorway and explore the fort. And yes, there's a full movie and actors-themed cake too, and it's a total crowd magnet. This cake is all about celebrating the magic of cinema with larger-than-life edible figures of iconic actors and scenes from popular films. As you walk up to it, you immediately recognize familiar faces sculpted in cake, from legendary actors to modern-day superstars. The level of detail in their expressions, clothing, and even hairstyles is incredible. For the little ones, there's an entire section filled with fun and playful cakes, from adorable reindeer cakes to tiny car-shaped cakes that look straight out of a toy store. The reindeer cakes are decorated with shiny red noses, antlers, and tiny edible scarves, making them perfect for the holiday season. The car cakes, on the other hand, come in bright, bold colors with tiny wheels and headlights made of sugar, almost too cute to eat. Kids were gathered around, wide-eyed and excited, pointing at the cakes and asking their parents to take photos. It really feels like a cake wonderland for children, with each design sparking joy and curiosity. You could see their excitement as they imagined cutting into these fun creations at their own birthday parties. In between these amazing displays, there was something that instantly grabbed attention, a bougie car cake from Koki. If you've seen the movie, you'll recognize this iconic car right away. The cake is a near-perfect replica of the futuristic vehicle, complete with sleek curves, metallic finishes, and those signature glowing accents. The design is so precise that it almost feels like the car could roll right off the table. On the more elegant side, I came across the Madhubala wedding cake and it was stunning. Inspired by classic Indian bridal themes, the cake featured delicate lace-like designs, cascading edible flowers, and intricate gold accents that shimmered under the lights. It stood tall, almost like a grand centerpiece with layers stacked gracefully, each telling a part of the story. Right next to it was the chocolate queen cake, and this one was equally captivating. It had a rich, glossy finish with elaborate chocolate sculptures rising from the top, almost like a crown. The deep, dark chocolate layers were decorated with edible pearls and gold dust, giving it a regal and luxurious feel. There's even a golden vault cake that stands out with its striking, luxurious design. The cake is shaped like a treasure chest or vault, complete with edible gold bars, intricate lock details, and shiny metallic finishes that catch the light from every angle. It's crafted to look like something straight out of a high-security bank vault, giving off a regal and opulent vibe. The precision in the vault door hinges and gold stacks makes it hard to believe it's entirely edible. Right next to it is a cake featuring Ratan Tata, and this one feels more like a tribute than just a dessert. The cake displays a carefully sculpted edible portrait of the business icon with his signature look and calm, dignified expression captured perfectly. Surrounding the portrait are elements symbolizing Tata's contributions, from tiny edible models of cars to buildings representing his vast industrial empire. The craftsmanship on this cake reflects not just talent but respect for one of India's most influential figures. Another showstopper is the Arijit Singh 2025 cake. This cake celebrates the famous singer in grand fashion, with musical notes, edible microphones, and tiny stage lights decorating the layers. A figure of Arijit holding a mic stands proudly at the top, his signature look and curly hair sculpted in amazing detail. The cake feels like a celebration of music, capturing the essence of Arijit's concerts with vibrant designs and instruments placed around the base. Once you've seen all the cakes, there are plenty of food stalls outside. You can grab pizza, lemon soda, ice cream, and more. For those who love shopping, there are stalls selling sofas, dining tables, and carpets. I tried some of the sofas. They were really comfortable, a little pricey, but the quality is great. There's also fitness gear, cycles, gym equipment, and kitchen gadgets. They even have folding tables and vacuum cleaners. The Buddha water fountains are beautiful, with prices ranging from 2,000 to 25,000 rupees. This festival is next level. The cakes, the food, the shopping, it's all here. If you are anywhere near Bengaluru, you need to check it out. That's it for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.